I'm excited to announce my project Livestreak, which is an entry for Colosseum's Eternal. Livestreak is a prediction market, but unlike every other prediction market, we're a live stream prediction market vertical. Livestreak allows anyone to be able to stream videos and also allow people to create predictions on such videos. Now, there are four very important people that enable Livestreak to work. We have those who are creating each market, and the market allows anyone to create vaults within those markets. Now, within the market, we have the Observer SDK, which allows whoever creates the market to create a video, and that is a video stream, and then any other person can create options on the video stream. Now, options are vaults that have binary targets, right? So it's a yes or no, and so anyone can stream into it, right? And then we have the stewards. The stewards allow the platform to run smoothly, and they resolve all stuffs within the application. So right now we have a single market right here. So it has two vaults, and that's been running, and then we have like 72 USD inside here. So that's what it looks like. So here we see that we have a live video here of a old boxing match, and what can happen here is that you can click these options that are here, and you can stream into those options. So currently we don't have any wallet connected, so let me just connect a random wallet. So I'm just going to create this, and a wallet here is gasless, right? And this on Solana. So I'm going to create a position NFT. Position NFT helps us to track our streams within each vault, and currently it's limited to about 10 positions, right? For now, till we optimize our project. Alright, so I'm going to create an NFT, and now we have a balance of 0, and I'm going to top up here. So here we have $1 million. Alright, so what can we do? We can top up our position NFT here. So we're going to add some funds. Right, it seems that it's not working. I think there's a bug, we'll fix it. So anyways, but what we can do is we can indirectly top up by trying to stream in a market. And so I'm going to stream yes, right? So what this does is that it's since this is a live video, right? The way it's going to work is it's something you're streaming in, right, for every minute. So you can stream from 0.1 USD all the way to 10 USD, right, every minute. And obviously the higher the stream rate, the faster your funds will move into the position. And so currently we don't allow you to stream into yes or no at the same time. You have to choose, right, between yes and no. And so because of that, there's a bonding curve that rewards early conviction, right? So you cannot just jump in, so that this is not like a betting, so you can get real insights. So I'm going to stream at 10 per minute, so you can see what that does. And so right now I'm streaming $10 per minute of yes, that we're going to have a knockout. Alright, so what happens now is that we can adjust our rates from 10 to maybe now we believe that okay, no, this guy isn't going to win. We can obviously enter into no, but what is going to happen is that if there were other people in no, it's going to cost us, right? Because we will buy shares in that vault at a higher rate, and it's not going to be the same value of funds. So it's very important to be right in the initial stage. Alright, so that is basically what we have right now. So we can also see the vaults, right, apart from the ones that are on screen here that are floating. So you can also um, come into, so the question, the vault we chose was Dempsey, right? So we can come into Dempsey here, and we can see that it's already previewed for us. We can stream back to yes, and we'll switch to yes, and yeah, now it's streaming yes. And if we come back here, we see that yeah, we're on yes. And so no is paused, yes, it's streaming. You cannot have two sites at the same time, and basically that's what we have right now for Livestreak, and we hope that we're going to be able to push some more features, because one of the things that we're working on is the SDK, sorry, the CLI, right, which compasses the SDK. So we have different SDKs, one for the options, one for the observers who are creating the stream, and then for market makers who are using who are going to be seeding each vault here, and then finally a CLI for the stewards who are supposed to resolve. So here we have a sample what a feed is going to look like once we're done here. So here we can see things like some stuff by the resolvers, right? That is here we see that okay, here the steward. So here we have if steward has resolved something, right, on alerts, and many other things that we can do here. So it's just a different spin on prediction markets into live videos, and the fact that you can stream live, since the video is a live video. Is not like something static. It's something where you can have more conviction, and you slide forward the more conviction you have, or you know move on to the next option depending on what you believe. So that is just basically what we have right now, and I can also create a new prediction here. Let's say yes, I'm going to string yes, and so we have a new open position, right? So basically that is what we've got. Thank you.